Good morning from Animal Kingdom Park. We are heading down to Pandora this morning because I have a lightning lane for...
How are you today? Good morning.
Morning. I have a individual lightning lane for Flight of Passage, and we have a Genie Plus for Navi River Journey. So that's worked out really, really well. So we're going to be starting our day in Pandora. All right, first lightning lane of the day. Let's go see the Shaman of Song on Navi River Journey. So that was insanely beautiful as always. I'm sorry, look at this backdrop. This land has my heart. I am obsessed with Pandora. Okay, we are done with Navi River Journey and now we're heading to my favourite attraction in the whole of Disney World. We are off to Flight of Passage.
Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikran, or as we call it, a banshee. Matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Navi. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar.
For your safety, throughout this entire experience, remain seated, lean forward, holding onto the hand grips, and supervise your children.
So would we consider this a healthy breakfast? We would not. We've got the biscuit sandwich with egg, cheese and sausage. And this is a night blossom right here. So, yeah, food from Pandora. Morning! Woo! Hi, Miko! I don't have any biscuits. I'm sorry. Okay, so we had a perfectly unhealthy breakfast from Pandora, and I just sat by the river, and the flotillas right now in Animal Kingdom, the only way to see characters is to see them on these boats. The river goes right around the park, But it was nice to see Miko this morning. He's so cute. So that's where I came from up there, Pandora. And this is the walking path. And it will take you all the way to Africa. And that's where we're going next. Look who's coming down the river. Double trouble. Chip and Dale with Goofy. Wow. Chip, I like the moves. Oh wow, we got some moves happening today. Woo! Hey Goof! Well, I was going to try and see more flotillas, but I've got a feeling that because the rain is now imminent, you can just tell that they're not sending out any more boats right now with characters. Don't want to get their fur wet. So we have a lightning lane for Festival of the Lion King, and that's where we're headed next.
That's our motto. What's a motto? I don't know. What's a motto with you?
Lion King was amazing, of course. And if you don't cry at some of that show, I don't think we can be friends. Simply put, it's special. And I can't wait for the whole show to be back. The Tumbling Monkeys are going to be back very, very soon. And I am crossing everything that our bird friends, our bird duo, are going to be flying high once more, because that is my favourite part forever and always. So right now, rain is really imminent. You can feel it wants to start. We are going to head over to Rafikis Planet Watch on the train. I haven't done this in a long time, and we're going to go take an animation class. So I've been meaning to do it for quite a while, but this is the animation experience. You don't know what character you're going to get, but I've done things like that in the past, way back at Hollywood Studios and over in Paris as well. So it'll be nice to do it here. Let's see which animal friend we get to draw. So welcome to Rafikis Planet Watch, also affection section, conservation station. It has a few labels. We've come off the train and we are now in the, well, next to the affection section. There is, I see a cow. Back in the day, there used to be a lot of goats around here. You could go in over there, grab brush, interact with the animals. The rain is just starting. Here we go. So we're going to go in and do the animation experience and take a drawing class. Current show times for animation experience are right here at time of filming, and it is in the Genie Plus system, so you can book a lightning lane. And yes, I know how confusing that sounds, that it's Genie Plus, but you're booking lightning lanes. I hear you. So as you come in, you will grab paper and pencil, and there is some handy guidelines too. All right, everybody. So I'm still not sure what we're drawing, but I have my paper, I have my clipboard.
Attention animators, in just 5 minutes, you're invited to...
Okay guys, I am going to concentrate We're drawing Shere Khan, and I will show you at the end. Pray for me. Okay, so this is my finished artwork, signed and dated. There's a lot to Shere Khan. I had fun trying, and that's all I'll say. So this is happening right now. This isn't a Disney effect. This is rain. Yep, it rains in Florida. Yay! All right, so there is nowhere to go except out in the rain. I have my umbrella. What I didn't realise is, and it makes sense totally, because of the rain, Kali River Rapids gets shut down. The animal trails are closed. What else? I think I said Kali River Rapids. But some of the park shuts down because it is simply not safe to have it running. With that said, I think we are going to try and get back to the hotel. I don't like how far my car is. We're in Dinosaur 37. But I think with the umbrella and faith, trust and pixie dust, we'll get to our car. I thought about ordering food, but that breakfast sandwich has filled me up. And we have a really nice dinner tonight that I don't want to spoil. So let's try and get to the car. Hey everyone, Claire from the present. Just to let you know, dinner tonight was at Steakhouse 71 at the Contemporary. There was a bit of a surprise because it was Jackie's birthday, and it was also the first time us girls had been together before getting onto the cruise tomorrow. So enjoy the surprise. By the way, Steakhouse 71, highly recommended, food outstanding. Let's get back to the vlog.
Thank you. Here's some welcome colors.
Ew. Those are awesome. We're just cinematic on the food.
Sauce flights. We do have a little visual menu if you want to know more about these. We're going to start at the very end.
Who did that? Oh my God. Did they get you?
They did.
Should we sing? One, two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jackie. Happy birthday to you.
And with that, the vlog has come to an end for today. Don't forget, we are about to head off on the Disney Dream for a 3-night cruise with the ladies you just saw. So I can't wait to share that with you next. And here's just some scenes from Riverside for the night. It is such a beautiful resort, and I am blessed that I got to stay in that building. We all know how excited I was over that princess room. I will see you very, very soon for that cruise vlog. Take care, lots of love. Bye.